Ciao, dear Sicily lovers! Happy Saturday from Sicily!
Good morning, happy Saturday. We are so happy and proud to show you one of the best locations here in Sicily.
To enjoy what? A beautiful
To enjoy one of the best sunsets ever.
Yeah, no doubt. This is a so romantic place. So when you come to Sicily, this is the perfect place to bring your wife for a beautiful surprise, right?
And we have the musician too. Very, very lucky. We have someone who's playing for us.
This is a private concert.
Rosella, as you can see, our followers are very expert.
Yeah.
Lino, you're absolutely right. This is Terrasini coastline. So we are in the province of Palermo. For those who don't know yet where we are in the area of Palermo,
Yeah.
in the northern coastline of Sicily. And this is I can say this is the place I love. Since where I was very young, I used to swim in this beautiful little bay, and it's so amazing. You can see beautiful colors, not only, how do you say, in the landscape, I mean also underwater. If you are scuba lovers, you can enjoy beautiful seascapes and a lot of fishes, a lot of sea treasures. And now we are just enjoying this beautiful view. As you can see, we have about 30 minutes,
More or less, maybe less.
to say hello to the sun. And
We would like to say goodbye to the sun all together.
never say goodbye. Never. I don't like this word. No, goodbye is not a good word.
See you next
Hello,
day.
hello. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Never say goodbye, guys. And this is a special viewpoint. I can say something. I can show something. This is dedicated to an important Sicilian guy. I hope you recognize him. Guess who's the guy? So the first one, well, who know the name of this guy will win Rosella's kiss.
But they always have my kiss.
So this is one of the most important Sicilian directors, not only Sicilian, it's a world famous director. He made many masterpieces such as Nuovo Cinema Paradiso, for example. So I'm talking about Giuseppe Tornatore from Bagheria. Wonderful.
Come here, Gianca.
So perhaps we have to go to Bagheria sometime.
Yeah, we have
We have to show Bagheria, another nice place here in Sicily. So important for Tornatore, for Guttuso, the important Sicilian painter, for Dacia Maraini, and another important writer. So I think they don't want to see me. I think the seascape is better.
We forgot to ask feedback about our new microphone. We
Yeah.
have new microphone, and so
Please give us a feedback. We've been investing our money on electronic tools such as microphones. Previous microphones didn't work at all. In particular, Rosella's microphone. So we had to buy another pair of microphones, and we really hope this time it works. Oh, sounds great.
Oh, finally.
Thank you, Linda. Thank you, Lino. Ciao, Misty. Wonderful, guys.
So,
You are
a
so
good investment, can I say? And
an investment. Yeah. I should show the microphones. So this is the. Where are you? Sorry, guys, because it's very, very tiny. A lovely microphone. Of course, I got my microphone too, and this is the case. As you can see, we can check the audio level, the volume level, and so we are professional now. Because it was a pity if you don't hear Rosella's voice, Rosella's beautiful voice.
Oh, my beautiful voice.
This is Gianca's humor. You don't understand. I was ironic.
So this is just a preview, right, Gianca?
Yeah. Stand up, Rosella. Stand up. Because I want to show you here, Sicily Lovers, where we are going to enjoy our night. Guys, can you see that point? Can you see? I zoom it. So there is a club there where we enjoy our aperitif, our drink in a few minutes. So, Rosella, what do you say? Mettiti da questo lato, così ci mettiamo con il... Oh, that's a beautiful view. Where are you? So we are gonna walk about 5 minutes to reach this place, this club, and we will share our drink with you.
Yeah.
And if we are in time before the sun falls under the horizon.
Yeah.
We are in time to show you the sunset.
Yeah. And so we can enjoy the sunset all together with a drink. So if you have a drink, you can take and toast with us.
Perhaps for the majority of our friends, it's too early, but you never know.
It doesn't matter.
You never know.
It's always the perfect time to enjoy a drink with Gianca and Rosella.
Guys, I fell in love with this beautiful seascape behind me when I was very, very young, and this is lovely. I really hope you can enjoy in person this place. If you are sea lovers, this is the best for you. Not the beach, not the crowded sandy beach. It's a beautiful cove, a rocky coastline, but with amazing spots. So I wanna say hello from Calarosa.
Before to go, then we can show again over there.
Yeah, I wanna show you again the place, and then we will see you in a few minutes from the club. Okay, guys? I didn't say, for example, the reason why it's named Calarosa. If you see the rocks, they are red, and in Italian, Calarosa means red cove, red bay. It's so funny. I used to say that's a sleeping dog. It reminds me the white dog from the Endless Story. Do you remember, Rosella?
Yeah.
Come on.
So guys, stay tuned, see you in few minutes. Just the time to reach our club to enjoy an aperitif, a drink together. Love, hugs and kisses from Sicily. Happy Saturday from Sicily, dear Sicily lovers! Finally, we are enjoying our Saturday night in this beautiful club. And of course, my best friend is Mojito. Come with me, Gianca.
Cheers, salute.
I come closer.
This is for you. Our Sicilian energy, right to you.
And we have an important goal to celebrate because today we reached 17 followers.
17,000.
Oh, okay.
There is a little bit difference, but it's okay.
Sorry.
17,000, Rosella.
Yeah.
But it's okay because we don't count numbers. We only count love. This is the most important thing for us.
But it means that the Sicily Lovers family is growing. So we have a lot of beautiful friends all around the world, in the States, in Canada, Australia, Europe, and everywhere, because the love for Sicily is
unlimited,
contagious,
and unlimited.
So this is dedicated for you.
To you.
To you, sorry.
Aspetta, Rosella, che ti inquadro. So for those who didn't watch our previous broadcast, say where we are.
So we are in Calarosa. This is a very wonderful place to enjoy one of the most beautiful sunsets. So if you missed the previous live broadcast, please check, and so you can enjoy this beautiful coastline. We are of course in the province of Palermo, and the name is Terrasini.
Let me show something. What do you think? So, Calarosa.
Are you ready to enjoy a Saturday night here in Sicily with Gianca and I?
So again, the name Calarosa, red coastline, red cove, red bay, comes from the color of the rocks. As you can see, this is not, how do you say, not question of light colors. Actually, this is the color, the real color of the rocks. So they are red. That's why this place is named Calarosa, red in Italian.
Grazie.
Oh, something arrived in our table.
Our food!
Our food too. So we are not only enjoying Mojito.
Wow, let me see. So we have octopus, a soup, black rice.
I can see some fried seafood.
Yes.
Squids. Perhaps they are little squids.
Yeah.
Let's try.
Yes, we have to try. So this is a special moment. We want to share with you this moment because we have been working all the week, and also today we will work also tomorrow because our beautiful Sicily Lover store is coming soon, and we have many things to share with you, and we are happy every day because everything is so beautiful. Do you want to spoil something, Gianca?
I can see hearts everywhere.
Maybe this is a beautiful surprise for our friends.
I can see hearts everywhere.
Can you recognize this shape? An art? What this shape remind you? So I have to say thank you, Daniela, for these beautiful earrings and necklace made with the tatting technique. It's a sort of crochet, but more and more complicated than crochet. The name is tatting. I don't know if you know this technique, but it's very hard to work and also very time-consuming art. You need a lot of time to realize
Show again.
This artwork.
So guys, this is a very, very interesting artwork. This is not my field, but I can say that it's amazing.
I think our beautiful Sicily Lovers ladies can enjoy, and of course, since I am a lady, I can understand, we would like to add some precious gems, and so we had Swarovski. So they are original Swarovski, and we found a Swarovski art shape.
I don't know if it's able to show the shape. Don't move, please. There is a little heart, a little art shape Swarovski too. So
please let me know your feedback and imagine you with these beautiful authentic pieces of Sicily, and everything is handmade, of course. So I feel so fashion, so elegant, and so I feel comfortable.
let me say something, because I saw the comments from Nerina. Nerina was the first to guess the Sicily Lovers logo. Nerina, tu sei sempre troppo brava. You are very, very good. And let me say something to Lino. Lino says, mi raccomando, non fate i manciatari. In English,
why not?
It means be careful, don't eat everything. Lino, I have to confess that yesterday I was with my friend in Palermo. After 2 years, after one year and 6 months, I was playing football again for the first time after 16, 17 months. And so I deserve to eat everything. So now I will be manciatario. So manciatario means when you have no limits, in particular in food, when you eat everything. So I will be manciatario. This is just an appetizer, just a preview.
Yeah.
And then Rosella and I will go to another place.
Maybe to have a pizza?
To have a bigger meal, because this is nothing for me. This is just a little preview, un antipasto, an aperitif, we say in Sicily, in Italy. But so this is the starting point. Energy. This is pure energy. Sugar, mint, dark room. What else? Lemon, limes.
And the power of our beautiful family of Sicily Lovers.
Cheers! Hope the music is not too loud and you can understand what we say. What about our audio? Can you hear us, or you hear the music more than our voice? Give us a feedback, please.
But we are wearing our new microphone, and so I think
our professional new, brand new microphones.
Yeah, we are wearing a lot of new things. I'm wearing the tatting jewelry collection and also the new microphone.
Because, as I said before, guys, you deserve the best, and it was a pity that you didn't hear Rosella very well in the last 2 or 3 live broadcasts, because our previous microphones didn't work at all, so we had to buy new microphones just for you to hear the beautiful sound of Rosella's voice, just like angels.
Are you joking with me?
You know when angels sing? Rosella is more or less the same.
Are you joking with me?
Guys, you have to stay in my shoes. I don't know if it's correct in English. Please imagine how can I be all the day, all the night, when Rosella is talking, is chatting, blah 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 blah, continuously, every time, with this beautiful, beautiful musical voice. I'm very lucky.
E io a Gianca ci parlo sempre in siciliano, perché noi fra noi parliamo in siciliano, perché gli amici che mi domandano ma oggi fra voi parlate in siciliano? Certo che parliamo in siciliano noi, già sai che non ci parlano gli amici nostri in siciliano e a Edi ci piace, ma noi ci parlano antichiette in siciliano. Allora, picciotti, decidete un poco. Picciotte
now Rosella's voice is so nice. I don't know why. Perhaps because I was just using my irony. She's changing her voice tone, but Rosella actually has a different voice.
With you, Gianca, of course. Con Gianca certo che hai una voce diversa, io devo far arrabbiare sempre.
I can't stand it.
Mi fa arrabbiare sempre.
So when I say Rosella is like an angel voice, of course I'm joking. But it's okay, everyone has to carry his own cross. Ognuno sa portare la sua croce, e chi sa me croce? Ognuno ha la sua croce. Everyone has his own cross, just like Jesus Christ. Rosella is my cross.
Oh, a beautiful cross for
you. A beautiful cross, okay.
Guys, what about you?
A beautiful tiny cross. It could be worse if Rosella was taller than me. She's tiny and it's okay. I can manage Rosella better.
Yeah, of course. Guys, and what about you? I would like to know.
Aspetta.
This is a simple question. I would like to know about your Saturday. What are you doing? What about your plan for tomorrow and for today? Because of course here is night, and so we are enjoying a drink, and later a night. a dinner. But we would like to know if in your town, in your country, things are going better, like in Sicily, in Italy, if you are enjoying your Saturday. And so please share your life with us.
Rosella, please let me say hello to Katie O'Brien. She's an example for all Sicily lovers because, as you know, we also broadcast on YouTube. Actually, we don't broadcast; we upload our videos on YouTube. And a few days ago, we had a beautiful surprise. We had a new follower from YouTube named Sicily Lover, and we said, "Wow, that's amazing!" And a few hours later, we realized that she's Katie O'Brien from Ireland. And so, Katie, you're
from the state,
from Omagh, sorry. and so you're wonderful. You chose the best nickname.
Yes, the best nickname.
And it will be fine to see a lot of Sicily lovers everywhere. Perhaps wearing our earrings, our t-shirts, our bags, our jewelry. And guys, you give us a lot of energy, a lot of this is the fuel of the soul.
Yeah.
So thank you for doing everything you do, all you do.
You are wonderful, and so we can thank you enough for what we do every day with us.
Right, Rosella.
Che fanno? Assettavo camischina e mise in ginocchio per stare all'altezza mia, perché è lungo, io sogno curta, allora io dovevo mettere sempre abbassato per... Assettavo.
Sit down. Ok. Allora, da dove cominciamo? Where do we start?
Would you like to read some comments?
I need my glasses.
I can read for you. So let's start from the beginning, of course.
Oh, we have a lot of comments.
Ciao Gloria! Ciao Larry!
Before you start, let me say something about the place where we are now. So we are again, I say for those who didn't watch the previous live broadcast, we are in Terrasini. We are in Terrasini, in the area of Palermo, north coastline of Sicily. So we are facing the beautiful Thyrrenian Sea. This is a beautiful rocky coastline. There are also beautiful sandy beaches. Terrasini is one of the places I love mostly. It's the place where I used to swim when I'm free. Now I don't have a lot of free time, but when I'm free, I run to this place, the place of the previous live broadcast. It's a beautiful rocky spot, rocky cove. If you are a sea lover, this is the place for you. This is your place.
Yeah.
And now we are enjoying a drink in a very nice club. I just say right in the coastline. But if you see, we are just by the sea. And this is named Calarosa because of the red color of the rocks. And again, we can't wait to show you this place in person.
Yeah, of course.
So if you come to Sicily, it's a very easy thing to be here because the airport is just behind our shoulders.
Yeah.
So usually we recommend our clients when we plan our private tours of Sicily or group tours of Sicily to go straight to Palermo because Palermo is the closest location to the airport. But if you are sea lovers, you can enjoy a break here before reach Palermo, before visiting Palermo.
Yeah.
Or if you want, we can plan a day trip to Terrasini and the beautiful area near Terrasini, just for you. I used to say you can combine Terrasini with Castellammare del Golfo, for example, with Scopello. You can enjoy a boat tour. You can visit all the coastline from Terrasini to Zingaro Nature Reserve if you want.
Yeah, a lot of possibilities for the sea lovers.
So if you are sea lovers, I think this is the most interesting coastline for you. Sicily offers a lot of possibilities, of course.
Of course,
if you go in the south, there are beautiful kilometers, miles and miles of sandy beaches. If you go in the northern coastline from Cefalù, I say from Cefalù to Messina, guys, that's the Peloritani mountain chain that I do say jump into the sea, and you can see beautiful seascapes. There are a lot of beautiful viewpoints. Personally, I prefer these locations. I don't like the flat lands with no view. In this case, for example, we are in a beautiful coastline, and the sea level is just about 20 meters above us. So you can see beautiful colors, you can see a beautiful coastline. And also in the eastern coast of Sicily. So if you go, for example, if you visit Taormina, if you visit the beautiful Cyclops coast, you know Omero, you know the Odyssey, we have the actual places that Omero talks about in the Odyssey. They are in Sicily. So those places are between Catania and Taormina. So the famous story of Polyphemus, I just say the big rocks, Polyphemus big rocks. So you can see the Polyphemus big rocks.
The Faraglioni.
Faraglioni, yeah, Acitrezza. You know, Acitrezza is the fishing village now very popular in the world because of Polyphemus stacks, Polyphemus big rocks that Polyphemo sent to Ulysses. Guys,
right.
I'm so bad. My English is not so good. I need to drink something because my words don't come out from my mouth.
Let me read the comments quickly. Nerina, Rosa Triasi, I love your reading.
This is not the beginning. This is not the beginning, but it's okay.
It's the beginning.
No, perhaps Facebook doesn't upload the previous comments.
Oh, why not?
I don't know.
Yeah. No, they are the beginning. Okay.
So where are you?
Ciao Paola, ciao Lino.
Yeah, Lino was the person who said you are manciatari. Don't be manciatari. Non faciti manciatari.
Oh, sorry.
Allora.
Ti stai fermo? Si muove in continuazione, come la leggi i commenti che si muove in continuazione? Ma si può questo? Non lo so. Oh.
Rosella, please remember what we learned a few days ago. If our broadcast is so long, it's lasts an hour, Facebook and YouTube, I just say uploads the broadcast in a very, very bad quality. So we have to remain.
Now, just a quickly hello to everyone.
Yeah.
So, Maureen.
Ciao Maureen. Danna Naples. Teresa. Skylar. I missed you. This is important. I saw what Skylar wrote. She writes, I have missed you. I have not been able to catch your online. Finally, I see you again. Buonasera, my friend. So this is so important. It doesn't. It's not up to you. It doesn't depend to you. It's up to Facebook. I don't know why. Facebook sometimes doesn't show you that we are online, that we are broadcasting.
And you have to be sure to get on, turn on the notifications from our Facebook page. This is important.
Also on YouTube.
Yeah.
You know, on YouTube you have a bell.
Yeah.
You have to turn on the bell to see the notification, and so you will be alerted when we upload a new video. On YouTube we don't go live, only on Facebook, but it's the same. If you don't turn on the notification, I don't know why, it's something mysterious ways. So sometimes Facebook alerts you, sometimes it don't.
Yeah.
It doesn't. And so it's very difficult to know when we are alive. The only chance for you is to turn on the notification. Go away. Sorry. Go ahead.
Tonight
this is the mojito. This is the mojito.
You are a little.
I'm tired.
Wow.
I'm tired, and I'm just drinking without eating, without having anything. My meals is still here.
It's too dark, maybe.
So nobody touched the meal yet. So
we need to eat.
So I need to eat something because the alcohol is reaching the.
It's raising.
The mind level.
Ma se tu ti zitti un'antica e mi fa leggere qua e mi fa rire ciao ciao, non li stiamo, invece tu parla sempre, va a contare i ciclopi, la sabbia, chi stai chi, e poi si lamenta che la colpa è mia, sempre.
I have anyone to talk to.
Every time
the only chance for me is to talk to you guys.
Yeah.
So this is my only chance to say something. Now I promise you, I don't speak at all.
Non si vede che è cessato per ora, non si vede.
Silence. Shut up.
Ciao Anthony. Ciao Dan e Missy San Filippo. Ciao Maria. Katie O'Brien. Paola. Yes, we need another mojito. She's right.
Che dicono? Che scrivono? Fammi leggere. Un cipiro manco con l'occhiale. I can't see anything.
Ciao,
also with my
Peter.
glasses.
Rosella Marunni Ucciuccata Gianca Malavi alla Pasqua. Non ti capivo Lino, scriva a rete perché non ti capivo.
Aspetta, chi scrive?
Rosella Marunni Ucciuccata Gianca Malavu la Pasqua. Non capisco che vuole dire, no?
L'uovo di Pasqua forse.
I don't understand.
No, l'uovo di Pasqua. Io capivo.
Oh, this is an important question from Donna Neighbors. Are you open to USA tourists? So, if you take a COVID-tested flights, our borders are open, and so you can skip the quarantine. So the only way to come to Sicily is to take a COVID-tested flights, and every day the number of flights are increasing.
Can I say something? So far. Rosella is right, but so far this is the law, the rules. Mm-hmm. We are waiting for new announcement. So for people who have been vaccinated, there will be no restrictions. But so far, the only possibility for you to enter Italy without any quarantine is choosing a COVID-tested flight.
Yeah.
Perhaps on July, at the end of July, they say at the end of July, on August, they will start with the new rules,
Yeah.
and they will give people, vaccinated people, the chance to enter Italy without any restrictions.
But so far, you don't need to be vaccinated. You need to have a negative test.
Yeah.
So before the boarding and at the landing.
Yeah, you have to prove, you have to show your healthy test
Yeah.
before boarding.
Yes.
And when you enter Italy, when
Yeah.
your flight lands to Italy,
Yeah.
they will check you again
Yeah.
to see if you are positive or negative.
Yeah.
This is the only chance to avoid quarantine.
Yes.
So far.
Yes. Yes. So Donna, thank you for your question. Why do you not go live on YouTube also? Because it's difficult with one mobile go live into platform, into social.
This is a good question because I thought about it and
We have to
perhaps
try.
once in our life we could try.
Yeah.
Rosella with her mobile phone
Yeah.
and I with my mobile phone. Two different tools to make different live broadcasts.
Yeah.
And
We will try.
You never know.
Yeah. Ciao Jenny. Ciao Biaggia.
Jenny is Genie, I think.
Genie, maybe.
Genie.
Jakey.
What is that? What does she's asking?
Then we have again Lina, so maybe I say hello to everyone. Larry, yes, Lino, Peter, Andrea.
Who's dreaming about what? Let me see the comments.
Peter Confalone, dreaming of a Christmas in Sicily.
Peter,
We wish this.
if you wish this, we wish it for you. So we pray for you to visit Sicily in Christmas time, in summertime, in Easter time. Every period is good to visit Sicily. Chi stai ciccando tu?
Ciao Italiano, se rispondi a tutti. I'm just checking if
Misty says, for example, Misty says we have restaurants open. We celebrated our wedding anniversary by going out to dinner. It felt wonderful to go out.
Misty and
First of all,
congratulations
to Misty and Dan.
Yeah.
For those who don't know who Misty and Dan are, they are one of the
Beautiful couple.
most beautiful couple ever.
They love each other in a beautiful way.
They have a Sicilian origin.
Yeah.
Their ancestors
Then it's
know
so
each other.
romantic, not like you.
Of course, everybody's more romantic than me. It's so easy. But I was talking about
Ancestors, sorry. Yeah.
their beautiful story. So their ancestors knew each other in Sicily. Then, of course, there were two different families. They emigrated to United States, and they met each other, and they realized that their ancestors were related. So that's beautiful. And this is one of the best stories ever. I used to tell this story to everyone.
Yeah, so romantic.
So it's destiny, the power of destiny.
The power, yeah.
So believe in your thoughts. Believe in your dreams. That's better. Believe in your dreams, because the destiny is something that you can create, not something that you are passive from. You can control destiny.
No,
if you believe
you cannot
in your
manage destiny.
No, you can do it. You didn't understand the reason why they met each other.
Yes,
Because-
but it's destiny. You cannot decide.
But destiny is something related to your soul. You don't
Of
know
course.
this. You don't know this. Guys, what do you think about destiny?
Yeah.
I think you can control destiny if you want. If you are aware, not sleeping robots, not sleeping machines, but if you are aware, if you are human beings, but human beings with capital letters. So if you are not sleeping, you can do something for your life. You can control your life. You can control your destiny. And I'm sorry for you, Rosella, but this is my idea.
I believe in this idea, but I think that you cannot change your destiny.
Now,
also.
ora sta canciando i kite. Now she's changing. We say.
Ma manquitare sempre. Ma io come
we say in
fai?
Sicilian. She's changing cards. You know.
time
You know
to
when you play
play.
cards and something is bad, you used to change cards. Like Rosella.
E che vuoi? Look at Katie comment. You are making me cry. Love you both. Because we say, Katie, hello.
Katie, you deserve it. Everybody in this beautiful family deserves our love. This is we can control our love. It's an unconditional love, and so this is nothing. This is the how do you say a little effort for us. And we really hope to meet you in person.
Yes, of course. We wait for you here in Sicily, and we hope to bring you in Carlentini, your hometown.
Sure,
of course.
sure.
Allora, io ho fame ora.
Ora mangiamo.
Io non sanno affennere, giusto?
Baffiniti.
Un baffennite, ciao Duce. Chi tu carissimo.
Please, we don't want to be rude
Please
now.
Forgive us, but we
But-
need to eat something.
Because the
Avevo appetito.
alcohol level is increasing, is reaching my. No, I think it's already reached my mind. So I don't know what I'm saying. Please forgive if.
But
if
you never know what you say.
I am aware just about one thing, that I love my friends.
There is no doubt about this, of course.
So my love for Sicily Lovers is unlimited. This is the only thing that I'm how do you say aware. Aware? Is this correct?
I think so.
I'm aware about my love for you. I don't mind what Rosella says. This is nothing for me. I only care about you.
Stasera chi sto piglia vastonateri che di femme. Sapete chi sto? Vastonateri che di femme.
I don't want to translate this.
Per conto con bene.
She's thinking to bite me this night when the broadcast is over.
Yes, of course.
So perhaps I had to go ahead.
This is your chance to...
My only chance to survive is to go ahead with this live broadcast,
Yes.
because when I turn off the camera, Rosella bites me.
Guys, this is again for you. It's time
Salute.
to toss you again.
L'abbiamo fatto cin cin, all together, guys, all
Cin
together.
cin.
This is for you. Our hope to see you in person in Sicily, and in particular you have to spend a wonderful life. Not necessary in Sicily if you can travel to Italy now, but spend a beautiful life.
Yeah.
Life.
Stasera with them, Gianca, with them.
I'm last.
Guys, we love you. Thank you again for your love. Forgive us if we joke every time, but we want to spread positive vibes, and so this is our way to bring you a smile. So we hope to gift you with some positive vibes. Please, if you like this live broadcast, share with your friends, invite them to follow us. Don't forget to put your thumb up and also to subscribe our YouTube channel named Best Things to Do in Sicily, of course.
And last but not least, enjoy your Saturday
Of course, and your Sunday
and your life,
and your life.
because life is beautiful.
Yes. So think positive, Stay strong and see you soon. We love you.
Salute!
Love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily. Ciao, dear Sicily lovers!